Hello everyone, this is Henry Kramer, 605 Chaser. And I'm coming to you live here and just in my car. Appreciate all the followers that have been following me on Facebook. Just a PSA here. I really, right now I'm streaming live YouTube as well as Facebook page. But again, can't stress enough how we need to make sure that we're consistent with our postings and things like that. And the quality is good. So please make sure that if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please go ahead and do that. As I stated before, we will be going live primarily on YouTube. The only reason I'm still doing the Facebook for right now live is because I'm in a good area that has good connection. But when I'm multi-streaming on multiple platforms, it really can become an issue, especially when I'm out in the field. All right, let's get to the weather. Let's take a look here at one particular weather model. Here is the GFS model. This is the update from 1 o'clock this morning, 06Z, and it's still showing Brookings area could see potential of 2 feet of snow, northern part of South Dakota. And then as you go along I-90, Worthington and into Minnesota, Owatonna area, it's ranging anywhere from 5 inches all the way up to, I think I saw 10, 15. Thanks, Ryan, for liking the video. Appreciate it. Worthington, Laverne, 7 inches there. Sioux Falls area, Del Rapids, obviously there's a sharp cutoff, and I'll get to that, show the latest information, what we're expecting and why it's such a sharp cutoff type thing here in a minute. East of Wessington Springs, 2 feet of snow, just crazy. Even west of Platte. This is a potentially dangerous storm. Yeah, I know, Carrie. I wish. No, Hank, no. I wish we wouldn't be having a whole lot of snow anywhere in South Dakota. It's too late. All right. And then that is the video for GFS. Let's take a look real quick at the NAM. So that's one potential weather model. This is the NAM 12K. This is showing through the same time frame. Now this is storm totals, total snowfall totals, between now and the 26th at 1 p.m. So if the snow ends up being later versus earlier, if it switches over earlier, we could have larger snowfall totals. If it, and vice versa. Look at that. Even all the way into Wisconsin, Eau Claire, St. Cloud area has got potential for 10 to 15 inches. Brookings, this weather model even says Brookings could get 11 inches. 10 to 11 inches there. Watertown, 10 inches there. It's pretty consistent, unfortunately, for those folks in Watertown. To see anywhere from 10 to 15 inches of snow. And then just east of there, that 2 feet possible. Pier, even possible to get 10 to 15 there. And we have areas, see that sharp cutoff? Like winter, you've got somewhere in the 7-inch area. And then a little bit farther south over to the east of Valentine, O'Neill areas, it's like 3 to 5 inches. So there's quite a sharp cutoff. So that is the NAM latest update. Again, these were all updated at 1 o'clock this morning. I'm going to show you now the next one here. Let's see if that'll work. This is the freezing, the potential for icing. Okay, this is ice potential. Again, this is through the GFS model, and look at that. South of Madison, 0.42, 0.30. There's, a quarter inch, even Pipestone, north of Pipestone, above a half an inch of icing potential. And I say potential because we just don't know. There's such a sharp cutoff. So I'm just giving you potentials, not trying to give you clickbait here or anything like that. Again, just potentials. Want you to be prepared for everything that you can. Now let's dive into what the National Weather Service out of the Sioux Falls offices posted early this morning, around somewhere around 5 a.m. I can't see on this particular document as I'm streaming because my screen's a little bit too small, but you can see the update there. First round of light snow will push northeastward across the region today, with a lull in activity expected for areas south of I-90 this evening. Accumulations looks to range between an inch or two by Sunday morning north of I-90, with less than an inch south. Okay? Now, they look to be. However, take a look at that graphic. Area of greatest uncertainty. Now, yesterday, this was still the greatest uncertainty. Areas of Sioux Falls, Beresford, Vermilion, Yankton, Menno, those areas there, and obviously it's surrounding areas within that areas of greatest uncertainty circle. There's so much uncertainty because we could end up seeing more than the 4 to 8 in Sioux Falls. Because if it switches over, as I've stated before, if it switches over sooner to that snow from the freezing rain, mixed precip, rain, what have you, obviously those snowfall totals in that greatest uncertainty area are going to increase. I would venture to estimate, my personal opinion is we're probably going to be seeing the higher side of that 8 inches in the Sioux Falls area. But that remains to be seen. Just still something to be aware of. Let's take a look at what's currently going on. We currently have the winter storm watch from Sunday through Monday night in areas north of Sioux Falls and north of Minnehaha County. And then we also see a winter storm watch for areas like Winter, Burke, Lake Andes, but there's also the winter weather advisory, okay, for Sunday. So the winter storm watch also remains in effect Sunday night, Monday night in areas that are in the purple and the yellow dotted lines there, as you can see. So take warning. The track of this system could still shift over the next, I believe that says 24 hours. Yeah, sorry guys. 24 hours, which could, after precipitation types, which could alter, I can't talk, precipitation types and amounts. Therefore, we encourage you to continue monitoring the forecast for the latest updates. So if I'm not available, National Weather Service to Sioux Falls, depending on your region, okay, just go to weather.gov and make sure that you check your specific region and what updates they have. This information is as of about 5:59, it looks like, the posting. So next thing that we're going to take a look at is timing. Again, I apologize to my friends up north. This covers the southeast southeast Sioux Falls National Weather Service region. So timing for Sioux Falls, we're looking at the potential for some light snow somewhere between Saturday and then Sunday, it'll start getting a little bit more. Obviously, that would be Sunday early mornings, like 7 a.m. And then it'll switch over to a mixed precip the farther in the day that we go for Sunday. So like 1 p.m., when it's daytime, track more than likely, because the temperatures will be increasing. And then we go to rain on Monday, even Sunday night. Monday, pretty much rain, and then we have the mixed precip again, starting sometime in Monday afternoon. That is when we start seeing the dive of the temperatures, and then, of course, more snow as we go Monday night into Tuesday. And then look at Marshall. This is why Marshall, Minnesota is expecting more snow, because they have obviously much more blue in there versus the mixed precip. And then Spencer, Iowa, Storm Lake, Orange City, more potential for that icing, because the farther south that we go, the warmer the temperatures are expected. Going to be a little bit harder for that snow to really accumulate there. All right, so that is the latest update. I appreciate those that have joined me. I am going to make one more comment. This is, again, thank you for following, whether you're on Facebook, YouTube, or some of the other areas that I have not really posted as much, like TikTok, Twitter, those areas. So I really won't be doing much posts on TikTok, Instagram, and those. Again, primarily is going to be just the YouTube live. I need to get up to enough followers on YouTube in order to have more capabilities. So please subscribe on YouTube channel 605 Chaser. I'm going to let you all go. I will have another update tomorrow as that storm continues to approach, probably about the same time. So God bless y'all. Stay safe. And one last thing, NATO's with Nate. My son has a YouTube channel, NATO's with Nate. Is going to be discussing on a kids level weather and storm tracking and all there is to know about that. He's super excited about that. Sorry he couldn't be here with me. He's hanging out in the house and watching TV. So God bless y'all. Stay safe. Have a great rest of your day.